Reverend Father Joseph Susanathan was born on May 14, 1964, in the historic Kolar goldfields. He is a simple yet distinguished personality. He is renowned for his unwavering dedication to faith, education, and enriching pastoral service to the faithful. His parents were Visuvasam and Suse Mary. His father, apart from working in BGML, also worked as a sacristan. He was also the president of Legion of Mary. The day-to-day spiritual atmosphere at the family fostered his early commitment to his spiritual journey. His academic journey began at St. Mary's Boys High School, KGF. After his 10th, he joined St. Mary's Minor Seminary, Mysore, wherein he pursued his pre-university studies at St. Philomena College. He also pursued his higher education at Bangalore University, where he earned both his BA and MA degrees. Father Susanathan's formative years continued at St. Peter's Pontifical Seminary in Bangalore, and his theological education was at St. Paul's Seminary, Trichy. He takes pride in telling he was taught by theologians who redefined his way of thinking. In 1989, Father was ordained a deacon and carried out his diaconate ministry at Saints Peter and Paul Church, Raipuram. This significant event marked the beginning of his dedicated service to the church and its communities. On May 15, 1990, he was ordained a priest by Most Reverend Dr. Alphonsus Matthias, the Archbishop of Bangalore, at St. Mary's Basilica. He celebrated his first Thanksgiving Mass at our Sacred Heart Church. His journey through various roles and responsibilities within the Archdiocese of Bangalore is a testament to his profound dedication and impact. Reverend Father Joseph Susanathan's ecclesiastical service is rich with devoted service, dynamic leadership, and unwavering faith. His journey through various parishes and institutions highlights a life dedicated to nurturing spiritual growth and fostering. His service, marked by strong faith in God, Blessed Virgin Mary, and Sacred Heart of Jesus, exemplifies a life lived with purpose and devotion. In recognition of his dedicated service and commitment to the Church, Father Joseph Susanathan has now been appointed as the Auxiliary Bishop for the Archdiocese of Bangalore by His Holiness Pope Francis. Those whom he predestined he also called, and those whom he called he also justified, and those whom he justified he also glorified.